Alright guys, another barn find, 1980 YZ 465 motor, picked up for 150 bucks. Great compression. It's got a small crack back here on the case and another one on the side case, but I don't think it's really a big deal. Tons of compression. Ready to see. I'm going to take off the head and the jug and see how the piston looks and everything and see how she is. So you got to take off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 nuts on the top and see how she is. Should be a 12. I don't like how the 12 fits on there, but let's see how it works. You want to take your time. You don't want to go. This thing hasn't been taken apart in a while, I can tell. Damn. Maybe I should get the DeWalt impact. Now you never really want to torque on these, but I think I'm gonna. DeWalt pulls them right out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 pulls them right out. Make sure you keep shit nice. Wow. Okay. My piston looks brand new. Wow. Look at how clean that is. Smooth. Wicked smooth. That's crazy. That thing don't even seem like it blew up before. Wow. No shit. That is really clean. Yep. That cylinder's definitely ported too. Wow. That's crazy. This shit looks wicked clean. This is actually really nice. I don't even have to take off the jug because from what I see here, the piston looks brand freaking new. Very good condition. I can't believe it, to tell you the truth. Look at this, guys. That piston looks new. This is 1980. Smooth. Walls look nice. The cross hatching still I don't know. Might still be good though. I think it's pretty good. I mean, it has a few things, but overall pretty good. Pretty good score. $150, can't beat it. 1980 motor. So this motor's it's crazy. I can't believe how good in condition it is. I'm like baffled. Now I gotta find something to put this in. Maybe a blaster, maybe an older frame. Hopefully you guys got something, let me know. Shoot me some stuff, guys. What can I put this motor in? YZ465. I already got the YZ80. 400, I mean. I'm sorry. 400 big bore. I got the YZ250. Shoot me. See what I got, guys. Motor. I want to put it in something.